I will open the open workshop. It is 6:14. I'll take a roll call. Trustee Bboed, absent. Trustee Burke.
Here.
Trustee Desmond is absent. Trustee Bboed.
Here.
Trustee Maggio.
Here.
Trustee Munoz.
Here.
Trustee Bayonne.
Here.
Vice President Gonzalez. And President Starr.
Here.
Okay, just going over your agendas, just to point out, resolution B15 and B16, since the packet that I sent home, they're pretty straightforward. B15 is the co-op with us and here for a hockey program. And as you know, the superintendent's been talking about esports for quite a while now, and now that'll be B16.
Are we sorry to make a comment about these two? No, I just wanted to talk because I don't want to interrupt the meeting outside any longer, but I want to say workshop. I'm really happy that Superintendent Bboed from the board to the district. I'm having program for kids all throughout not just the state but nationally. Last year, this country, university gave out one sports scholarship for baseball. And that's saying something for the past time. And I just would like to acknowledge and thank you to the DA, assisting with Mr. Reese and getting this sidebar being done because this is a program that's going to benefit our students. And it's really good it's coming here. So thank you both for getting it worked out.
Great, so going back to our agenda, our approval of minutes, it will be moved by Trustee Maggio, seconded by Trustee Burke. Curriculum was moved by Trustee Maggio, seconded by Trustee Stefani. Finance was moved by President Gonzalez and seconded by Vice President Gonzalez. And then the personnel was moved by Trustee Burke and seconded by Trustee Rodriguez.
I just have one thing, just thank you to Trustee Munoz for comment and the board on esports. We're working with media now on robotics, so we hope to get that done for you in November. And we're moving forward, and thank you to our tech department and the business office for getting this done. We're putting it in a room that's underutilized and and just one more thing, we kind of got a last month, I'm just looking over that, I'm going to once over, and then met with EDA and meeting with the central office. And there's just a couple things I'd like to come to the board's attention, but I'm going to do that next month, that policy. Okay, just so you're aware. And thank you.
Okay, we have one more item. Our students from robotics are here, so they have short little.
I had a presentation made, so I got to print them out on QR codes for each of you. Nice. That's what I'm talking about. Kids prepare it. I love it.
You can share.
Now, is this for public as well?
Yeah, they can
Put it on our pages?
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you.
This is awesome.
Thank you.
I love it. I have a question for you.
Yeah.
BattleBots.
I'm just drawing the design for it right now.
Nice. That is going to be the greatest fundraiser of all time. I am so there and I will donate.
It is being designed currently right now. But on that presentation, it talks about how every single day since robotics has started, we've consistently been getting about 60 or more members coming into the room every single day to meet, do robotics and all that sort of stuff. We've also kept with like our team like building skills and all of that by meeting not just in school and after school, but also like at night during like our calls and talking about anything that's robotics related as well. We've created more than a dozen types of inventories for our team, whether it was our wish list or just the team inventory of our current parts or just anything else that's related to robotics. We do know our strategies and stuff, and our first competition that's upcoming is November 12th, so we're inviting all of you to come. I don't, first hasn't decided yet, that's the organization, but when they do, I'll send it out. So I'll invite it for that. The next thing is on the actual presentation. You'll see our CAD designs, our drawn designs, and just everything that's robotics related for our season. Not BattleBots. BattleBots is a separate thing. I have it on my to-do list.
Nice.
But that's on there already. You can view it. We also have some of our artwork that we're doing, or some of our hoodies, our logos. Our slogans are on there too, so we have a bunch of stuff that's on there for you guys to view and discuss if you want. There is also one last thing, I believe, so every year robotics gets more advanced every single day. So at this point in this current season, we're trying to do advanced calculus calculations, physics calculations, we're doing odometric calculations, so it is getting more advanced and advanced. So those advanced sensors, those advanced pieces, those advanced motors really do help us achieve doing all of that stuff. So we really do appreciate everything. Thank you.
Before I adjourn the open workshop, just a reminder, November 21st, remember we changed the meeting date. Our new meeting date is November 21st. Just in case you all calendars have a little bit. At this time, we'll adjourn, and we will return for our public meeting at 7 o'clock. We will be meeting here and not in the auditorium. So